Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of compiler design. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 2 question number 30. Given a context free grammar G as follow: S derive AA, B as C, D C, B D A derive D. Which one of the following statement is true? And 4 options are given. In options, basically it is asking further this grammar is LALR1, SLR1 and CLR1. First we'll check SLR1 in one state like S dash derived S, then S derived dot AA dot BAC. As there is a dot before A, so we'll also write the A transition A derive D. So all these will be in I0. From this, when by D will go to another state, S derived D, C and A derived D. So in this state, there is a shift and there is a reduction, right? Now from this state by C will go to another state, S derived D, C dot. So what is follow of A? Follow of A equals to A and C. So this reduction we can write in A and C. So in I4 C column there will be a shift and reduce. Okay, we are going to S8 and this will be reduction number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 R5. So there is a shift reduce conflict at I4 C column. That's why it is not SLR. In case of SLR, we write the reduction in the follow column. Okay, we need to find the follow of left side and we need to write like follow of A equals to A and C. So we need to write this reduction in A and C column. So there is a shift reduce conflict in C column. That's why this grammar is not SLR1. Next we will check CLR1. In case of CLR1, rather than follow, we find a look ahead symbol and we write that transition in the look ahead column, right? So this is the automata for CLR1. First is the augmented grammar S dash derived dot S and here look ahead is dollar, all are S transition. Then A derived dot D and here what will be look ahead symbol? So after A there is A, right? Now here look ahead change, it's A. Next by S transition we are going to I1 state. Then by A we are going to I2 state. S derived A dot A and look ahead is same. Then by B we are going to I3. S derived B dot AC, dollar is the look ahead symbol. Then S derived B dot DA, dollar is the look ahead symbol. This look ahead symbol due to parent, okay? Due to this A, we are writing this, right? A transition. So after A, what is there? There is C. C and dollar, so we'll write C here. By D, we are going to I4. This is the state where in SLR there was a SR conflict. So S derived D dot C, look ahead is dollar. A derived D dot, look ahead is A. We'll write this shift in the dollar column whereas this reduction in A column. So there are no more SR conflict as there are different look ahead symbol. In SLR what was the problem? We write both in C column but here we are writing the reduction in A column and that shift we are writing in dollar, right? So same way you just check in I7 there is also a shift and a reduction but both look ahead are different. It's dollar, it's C. So there is no SR conflict. As there is no SR conflict, no shift reduce conflict, so this grammar is CLR1. And LALR1 is the minimal version of CLR1. If there is same production but the look ahead symbol are different, we can merge them. But there are no states having same production and different look ahead symbol. No repetition, hence this is also LALR automata. So for this grammar, both CLR1 and LALR1 automata will be same as there is no different look ahead symbol for the same production. So this grammar is CLR1. Also this is a LALR1 but not SLR1. Now check the options. Option A, G is neither LALR1 nor SLR1. It is LALR1. This is false. Next option B, G is CLR1 not LALR1. Here it's written not LALR1, that's why this is false. It is LALR1. Option C, G is LALR1 not SLR. This is true. This is LALR1 not SLR1. Option D, G is LALR1 also SLR1. No, this is not SLR1. In case of SLR, both these transition will write in the C column. So there will be shift reduce conflict. But in case of CLR1 and LALR1, there are no conflict as look ahead symbol are different. We are writing in the look ahead column. Hence answer will be option C. If we create the table for this, table will look like this. This table is for both LALR1 and CLR1. As for LALR1, we are not merging any state. Just check I4 and I7. Now this reduction, it is R5, that will write in A column. Then S8 by C, we are going to state 8, that will write in C column, right? Now check I7. In I7, this R5 will write in C column, and this transition by A, we are going to I10, that will write in A column. So shift we are writing in A column, reduction we are writing in C column. Hence there are no SR conflict. I already discussed how to create SLR1, CLR1, LALR1 automata and table. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.